Metatrader 4 winning forex trading strategy. This strategy is really meant for Metatrader 4 and not Metatrader 5. You cannot use this on the Rive platform. This is strictly meant for MT4 and not MT5. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. We have a lot of best forex brokers outside there. Make sure you register with any of the regulated forex brokers in your area. Open a demo account with them to try out any strategy you have or any strategy I'm going to share. Try out all the strategy and see if you are profitable using that particular strategy before you open a live account with any forex brokers. In my video description, I did drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers that you can open an account with. Make sure you check them out and open an account with any of the brokers that you like. Make sure they are regulated in your area. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. Do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning forex trading strategies or indicator, either for Metatrader 4 or Metatrader 5. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. I've come up with this no repenting strategy for Metatrader 4. Make sure you follow me closely. This strategy on my chart does not repent, and the fact that it does not repent does not make it 100% accurate. No strategy is 100% accurate. Now, how do I use these simple strategies? I have few indicators that I've combined together, and I'm going to show you the indicators that I use for this particular strategy. I have a few indicators, as I said. I have this band here. This band does not repaint. I have this arrow indicator generated by the band, and I have a PTL indicator that does not repaint after candle close. And on the indicator window, I do have a MACD indicator here. So I only combined 3 indicators together to come up with this winning strategy. If you will follow this particular strategy, you will win a lot of times. I didn't say it all the time, but a lot of times you will win and increase your account on a daily basis. Now, how do I use this particular strategy? Number one thing you have to look out for is this band indicator. The candle must be either at the upper or the lower band of this indicator before you consider anything at all, either to sell or to buy. The candles must be at the upper or the lower band of this particular indicator. And number 2 thing you have to consider is this arrow indicator. This arrow will only show at the upper band. It's not going to show either in between the band, so it make it secure for us to know that the market may likely turn either at the upper band or at the lower band. And the next indicator you will consider is this PTL indicator, and this you only consider this indicator if it gives us a signal either at the lower band or the upper band. Other signal generated by this indicator, PTL indicator, will be neglected as we have it here. This is in between the band. We are not going to take that particular signal generated by this indicator. just make sure you are trading on a regulated forex brokers. And the MACD must be in agreement with all of the indicators, either for a buy or for a sell. Now let's combine all the indicators together and analyze it, how to use it profitably. Now at this particular point, at this upper band, when the candles touch this line or above it, we have the arrow generated for a sell signal. This is number one, confirmation. And number two, the PTL indicator must be there also at the upper band. This is where we have the second confirmation. This is where we have it. And the third confirmation, MACD line must cross. And at this point we have the third confirmation, and this is a good trade that you can enter. So at this point, enter your trade and you are going to make money. Just follow this simple rule. Now let's check another buy setup. The one we analyze right now is just a sell setup on Metatrader 4, and this is on regulated forex brokers. Now let's move on a bit and analyze another signal that was generated by this indicator. Here we have the candles at this lower band. This is to tell us we should be looking out for a buy signal. Then we have this arrow generated for a buy on this Metatrader 4, followed by PTL indicator that did give us another signal. Then the third confirmation is this MACD, and we have it here. Then you can ride the trend. So this is how to use this particular strategy. You can use it on any time frame you want, either on M1, M5, M15, on 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours. Anytime you want to use it, you can use it on any time frame. This is actually on gold. You can use it on any pairs you want to trade. As I have it, I do trade indices. This is it on the US 30 and 1 minute time frame right now. At this particular point, let's analyze this on indices. This is US 30. We have the confirmation here, MACD did cross, and we have the PTL indicator for a buy, and this did deliver. Your take profit or target will be at the upper band, and your stop loss will be few pips below the previous low. And let's check another signal generated by this indicator again. For a sell, we have this at the upper band, the candles, then followed by the arrow, and we have this PTL indicator. When you check MACD, it did confirm our setup, and this was another winning trade. So you can use this on any pairs you want to trade. And this is US 30. When you check US 100, it's still the same methodology. Just make sure you follow this simple rule. You can use this for gold. This can be used on gold. It can be used on the cryptocurrency like BTC, USD. You can use it on any forex pairs like a Euro USD, USD CAD, GBP pounds USD, as many pairs you want to trade. And you can use it on any time frame you want. It's still the same methodology. So we have this on the 30 minutes right now. This is good on 30 minutes, and this is good on 1 hour. Now this is why I said you must allow all the indicators to be in agreement before you place your trade. You might want to use only the arrow, and most time it might not go your way immediately. And this is a good example on the 1 hour time frame. We have this arrow indicator here that does not repaint. As I said, it does not repaint, and that's why you still have it here. That's why the fact we have market going against it, and MACD did confirm it here. It did cross at this particular point, but we do not have the PTI indicator to confirm this direction, and that was why this market keep on going up. It is important that you wait for pitted indicator to show and allow the candle to close. Immediately you see the pitted indicator, do not enter any trade. Allow that particular candle to close, then you enter the second candle. I mean the candle after, when you see the pitted indicator. It's not going to repaint and it's not going to disappear. This is how to use it and to reduce loss in forex trading. So make sure you follow this simple rule and practice this on regulated forex brokers. In my video description, I did drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check the links and open with any of the brokers, but check if they are regulated in your areas. Do not trade on any forex brokers that is not regulated, so that you will not waste your time. So this is how to use this particular strategy. If you follow this particular rule, you are going to keep on increasing your account on a daily basis, because it is profitable. And the download links to all the indicators I use for this particular strategy is in the video description, and I did include my template. Make sure you download it. I do not want to go over the setting that I use for this indicator one by one, but when you download the indicators and use my template, you are going to have exact chart like mine. So make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. Till I come your way again, make sure you subscribe, give me a thumb up, and do not forget to share this particular strategy with any of your friends that are into forex trading, either crypto, anything they trade at all online on Metatrader 4. They can use this particular strategy. Bye for now.